Welcome everybody. How you doing? Welcome to Investopia Worldwide. I'm Dr. Kelsey here with you. Super excited to be on this call with you here at another session here at Investopia. You know what to do. Subscribe and like. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell as we got another Power Pack session for you today. As you know, our trade got smashed. The TP got smashed. If you took this trade with me on YouTube. Also, two trades got smashed, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to go over that. We got some news for you. Definitely going to have some TA. And we're going to talk about a little bit about where we're going with the next trade. So buckle in. Let's get ready to get this party started. As you know, those who are trading with me as well, you can trade with me at Number One Capital Markets. That's a $2,500 bonus that you can get. It's up to you, your choice. But also you can find out once you use my link in the description below, you have the opportunity to get $25 worth of free Bitcoin. So make sure you hit the description below, use my link, make deposit $100, make your first trade, and you qualify. Also, we're taking some trades on CoinW, where we can do some future trading, spot trading. It's just crypto as well, ETFs. All of that is on this brand new crypto site. Again, we took this Bitcoin trade, and here's my percent here on this trade, 6.94%. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting the bag. If you took that trade with me, it hit RTP just like we said it would. Also, those who are beginners, we've got another major Power Pack financial literacy course for you that you can be a part of here, because financial literacy is key. We're going to go over a little bit of information on how you can get a part of our academy as well. You want to get the fundamentals, basic, intermediate, or advanced. You can get it all right here at Envision You with our new academy that we are affiliated with. Description is in below. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. All right, as you can see, Bitcoin, let's do some quick TA. Bitcoin did hit our TP on the 4-hour. We're still in one big long right now from about 48 900 area. Let's go ahead and move that over here. This was our entry. Okay, this was our entry right here. We'll go ahead and put that zone in as well. So if you're still in here, I know you moved up your stop loss just enough for you to probably take some partial profits as well, which is what we want to do. We want to make sure that we get our profits at the top and not at the bottom. And then we're in a risk-free trade, ladies and gentlemen. And so we can still see that when we got in our second trade, we went about 500 pips, and then we came down, never hit our stop loss, got a second entry. If you really want to know how to trade Bitcoin, there's a video, okay, that I did. Look for that video on how to trade Bitcoin, because you can get multiple entries just like we did. We got multiple entries, and you can see from here after this candle closed, bang, today, smack the TP again. And then we've got a nice little reversal area rejection put back in this zone here, where you can see what pinpoint the area right now is in this area around 51.86.3. So, it can do two things. It could literally it could, break this zone and come down and give us, we can see what it can do. I would be looking for another entry around 49 on the 4 hour for a potential buy. And as long as it doesn't break this zone, long as it doesn't break zero line on our histogram, we can be buying here again. So that's a potential. But we could consolidate. We could consolidate a little bit. We could consolidate in this area and then shoot back up. Shoot back up. So let's take a good look at this on the daily. On the daily, nice little flag, and we'll see that if on this daily, this candle, we've got 6 more hours on this daily candle. If this candle closes back above into this zone, we're looking to probably get another buying position here and take it all the way back up to 54,931. So be on the lookout for that. If you want that signal, in our description below, there's an email that you can show you how to get in our Telegram that we can help you along the way and give you these signals in our Telegram group, our wealth building Telegram group. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum hit our TP. Ethereum hit our TP, also called here live. We said we saw it going to 3,000. It came, it wicked all the way to 3,000 here on TradingView. So it definitely hit on CoinW. Let's go to Ethereum on CoinW and see where it hit on CoinW. So on CoinW, well, it's around the same area, about 310. So definitely hit our TP, ladies and gentlemen. If you took that trade with me, let me know. Put it in the comments. Let me know how much money you made. This is on the daily here. So what could possibly happen? What could possibly happen? I'm actually going to believe for a little bit more, we could see this go to about 34. As we draw out our trend line here, we could get a nice little pullback and we can get another entry since this trade is over. And I would say this would be the entry to get another position and look for this to go at least as high as about 34 as of right now. When we look at the daily, we can see, or go to the weekly, we can see that that would be a good spot for another TP. 3,000, 3,100, and even as high as 31 or 32. So we've got some more levels. We've got some more levels up there. So I'll be looking maybe 31.95. So right now you can see on the weekly, we've got nothing but black candles. That's one, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for about 6 black candles on the weekly. That's right. So this is still bullish. I still like it. We'll look for this move to take place. As long as we're in our green cloud here, we should be good. Let's get it. So I would say if price comes down into around 28, 23, we could see Ethereum, nice 3,000 pip trade, be nice. Definitely almost 2.5 to 1 risk ratio. So that is a nice trade there they could take, and we'll definitely let everybody know in the Wealth Building Telegram. So this is a particular trade setup. So let's go ahead and get into some news real quick. Let's get into it. Well, let's look at the fear and greed. The fear and greed right now is 72. So it's kind of been hovering over 72. Yesterday was 75. Last week, 79. And that's why we were getting some dumps. But we've got new money coming in. But what does that really mean? We got new money coming in. Let's look at some crypto news. Ethereum hits 3K for the first time in nearly 2 years amid rising ETH and ETF excitement. Really exciting. But what are people doing with their particular holdings? Bitcoin holdings and Coinbase research lowest level since 2015. Wells are withdrawing 1 billion Bitcoin. So what does that mean? That means they are putting their holdings in their hard wallets. They are literally getting their Bitcoins off exchanges. That's right. They are going to hold them and put them away. Bitcoin holdings in Coinbase crypto exchange have fallen to their lowest levels near 9 years after using a significant chunk of holdings off the exchange. So where are they going? They're going in hardware wallets. That's where they're going because they see where Bitcoin is going. As you can see with the chart, Bitcoin exchange net flow, Coinbase advance. As you can see, the red lines are people withdrawing their money. There's more money coming in, but they're withdrawing their Bitcoin as more money is going in, 20.5 billion estimated. Look at that. So if I was you, I'd be looking to do the same thing. Look, success leaves clues, ladies and gentlemen, success leaves clues. Let's go ahead and look and see right now in this pullback. You can see today the whole crypto bubbles are like red. We have a few altcoins that's still trying to hold on. But for the week, fairly, we're still kind of green in the weekly. We still have some ADA is up. You guys heard me on the last session about ADA. ADA is up 11.9% right now. Altcoin season is here. It's minimum, it's semi, but it's going. It's going. ADA was one. You have an 8 coin and actually turned around 18.4% as well. XLM up 4.5%, Ethereum's up 10.2%. So go back to that video I did on my top picks for altcoins, and you'll see that even still right now, some of these coins are about to take off. Don't you forget about my Doge, 3.8%. That's right. Now, hey, what's going on with VeChain? What's going on with VeChain? You better watch it. You better watch it. Let's go back to our bubbles. Let's go back to our bubbles. I know VeChain right there, 34.5%. Why? Do you have some VeChain? I know in our Wealth Building Telegram group, we have a lot of VeChain. But what is happening with VeChain? Woo! VeChain is still on the track, doing well for my $2.4 target. This cycle. Will you get there? VeChain would have the same rally as last bull cycle. You will end up paying around 2.4 per VeChain. Success leaves clues. That's a good divergence showing right there. And we're gonna take a look at VeChain right now, ladies and gentlemen, and let's see what we got. We've got a nice correction. We've got a nice correction right now. Beautiful, beautiful correction happening right now. Um, even if we put the area value low is down here around 0, 2, and the area value high, not much there. So if we do get this nice little pullback, even if it comes back, I would just say to the 50 on the fib, somewhere in this area here would be a nice area to even grab some more V-chain, because I'm going to show you kind of what you could get, what could be the possibles, where V-chain is right now as it gets ready to take off. Let's go to our crypto profit calculator and look up V-chain right now. All right, with $1,000 investment. I'm not a financial advisor. So right now it's at about 4 cents. So if we get to $2.40, $2.40, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Look at this. With $1,000 investment, look at this. It gets to $2.40, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the numbers. Numbers don't lie. So for those who are the average crypto enthusiasts, you may have a little on the side. This is not your bill money, and maybe you got $500 to put aside worth of V-chain. Now it's $28,000, almost $29,000 that you could be looking forward to it in this next bull cycle. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. I've been telling everybody, don't miss it. Don't you miss it. Don't 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 miss it. All right, so let's look up for our next trade opportunity. Really quick, a next trade opportunity. I'm going to look at this off CoinW. Don't forget, if you want to trade with me on CoinW, referral link is in the description below. We're on the 4-hour looking at this, and this is setting up. I am still bullish on Bitcoin right now. I am bullish on Bitcoin. Yes, 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 yes. I am bullish on Bitcoin right now. So as we said, let's here on Trading View. $618. Bitcoin likes to come to the 618, so there could be a nice potential move here on the lower time frame, somewhere around, oh, this is Ethereum, my bad, this is Ethereum, we talked about that too. So potentially 2845, 20, yeah, that you could probably, and then see this take off to about 31. So as long as it stays above our EMAs, and if we get another crossing on our MACD, this is going to be a beautiful trade, ladies and gentlemen. So keep an eye on that. If you're in the Telegram or not in the Telegram, make sure you get in our Telegram. You can see it's above our histogram MACD, and all we need is another somewhat crossing like this, and then we're good to go. Okay. Now for Bitcoin, I love the way this is setting up. Even though people are probably taking a small short, which is nothing wrong with that. So we said our 61.8 area is around 46.5. So I don't know if it's going to come all the way down there. I don't know, because we're already testing the top of our histogram here, and we could literally get a bounce up and a crossover on our MACD. We get a crossover on our MACD, we're going to be very bullish, and it can go to 57. So be on the lookout for that as well. Super excited about this particular trade right here. If anybody is in gold, we're in a long-term gold trade. It did hit the top of our TP. It's retesting on the 4-hour, but this is a weekly trade. If anybody, keep an eye on it. We already got a nice crossing. We've got some confluence happening, okay, on this trade. It could have even gotten lower. We could have got lower. So this may end up being a nice little flag here on the lower time frame for gold, okay? For gold. All right, so if anybody is interested for that, as it comes out of the supply zone, we can get another entry. We could scale in right now. So far we have taken partial profits, but this is starting to line up really nice. We're trading with the trend. The trend is our friend, as you can see. So this will be really nice. All I'm going to be looking for, price to get back above the hull here, and we'll get some more volume coming in into the market here for gold. As you can see, that there's a lot of potential for this to go even higher. So right now, just keep an eye on it. I'll definitely drop a signal. They have some information in this as well in our Telegram group, and we'll keep you guys posted. So make sure you get you some VeChain. Make sure you watch Bitcoin. Go back and watch a video on how to trade Bitcoin. And also go back into the video and watch my top picks for the altcoins. Super excited about that. I may add I don't think I talked about VeChain, but I may add it. But I do have some. Make sure you get some, because the big moves are going to take place, and you do not want to miss this. Again, this is Dr. Kelsey, the Big Boomer Trader, signing off right now. Take care.